olupakinoganyiza nga bannaffe abawangalira mu byalo bagenda kulyanga balimi anti omwaka 2022-2023 enteekateeka eya parish development model wamu ne ey'emyogo egenda kutojjereeyo okusobola okulaba nate nga beekulaakulanya byonna bituuseeko nga bali mu kukubaganya mu mbalira y'ebyensimbi ey'emyaka egyo wali ku kisaawe e Kololo.
Gavumenti erambise byegenda okukola mu mwaka gw'ebyensimbi 2022-2023 ng'essira eritadde ku byenfuna by'abantu mu byalo. Enkola ey'emyoga n'eya parish development model mwegenda okuyita okukulaakulanya ab'enfuna etali y'amaanyi nga bwe bubaka bw'omukulembeze w'eggwanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni obumusomeddwa omumyuka we Major Jessica Alupo e Kololo.
Further emphasis will be put on improving production and productivity to improve farmers' incomes, particularly smallholder farmers, through implementation of the parish development model. And in my own view, I think this will cure again another very key area which the representative of the private sector again pointed to in line with the growth of the budget vis-a-vis the growth of GDP.
Alagidde Ministry y'ebyenfuna okutegeka enkola zino mu bwangu ddala okutuukiriza ebigendererwa bya gavumenti.
Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development should ensure that all wealth funds are amalgamated under one pool for proper management and financial discipline. Save for emyoga funds. Emyoga funds are exclusively meant to provide seed capital for special interest enterprising groups.
Minister ow'ebyenfuna Matia Kasaija asabye abakulu mu ministry ez'enjawulo okukomya okutambula mu mawanga g'ebweru ekyokudiibuuda ssente.
If I gave you, yes, Honorable, I want you to go and win medals and make the name of Uganda as you did in Japan recently, yes, but you must prioritize and say this we shall do, this we shall not do. Even in your own family, there are certain things which ought to be done. You say, Mama, this one we cannot do.
Sabalamuzi Alphonse Owinyidolo gavumenti agitegeezezza nti kyekiseera okwongera ssente esiga eddamuzi kibasobozesa okutuukiriza emirimu gyabwe mu bwangu.
The judiciary has not been given its rightful place to be able to function, to be able to serve the people of this country. For a long time, the judiciary was made to do with 0.4% of the national budget. Invariably, just 0.4. The judiciary operates at 37% human resource capacity.
Minister Muluri Mukasa akulira abakozi ba gavumenti alaze obukulu bw'okutendeka abakozi mu bitongole ku mirimu egy'enjawulo.
We should also emphasize training on the job during the time of service and training up to the end when this person leaves the service at the age of 60.
Ab'ekibiina kya Kampala Capital City Traders Association Kasita n'aba Private Sector Foundation balambise ebitalina kubuusibwa liiso mu mwaka gw'ebyensimbi 2022-2023.
And our colleagues from Congo, Rwanda, Tanzania, South Sudan could come and purchase from us. But unfortunately, you find now they are no longer coming here. They go straight to China. They go straight to Dubai. So you find even our local industries who would have enjoyed that market, it's a little bit hard to access that market.
We also are suffering from a narrow tax base, which forces government to create multiplicity of taxes on a few compliant taxable sectors and taxpayers.
Bya Ora Gabdiel, Sorot TV,